Welcome to the Notary Educators with Kimmi YouTube channel. Hosts Kimmi and Jeff Nunnally, along with Alexis Franklin, share expert insights to help you launch and grow a successful mobile notary business, no matter what state you are commissioned in. Learn how to become a top-notch loan signing agent and get answers to common notary questions. Explore our all-inclusive $47 monthly training library, plus live weekly online coaching sessions with courses on general notary work, wedding efficient services, remote online notary, ink fingerprinting, apostille, translation services, and I-9 completion. So please remember that Notary Educators LLC is your one-stop shop for notary training. Now sit back and watch Kimmi and crew, and don't forget to subscribe to the Notary Educators with Kimmi YouTube channel for more tips. Take your notary business to new heights.
Jay Lovett says, hey Kimmi, how are you? I'm great. How about you? Do I need to create a brochure with my business cards? Do I need to create a brochure? I don't have a brochure, but you can do a flyer. You can make one on Canva yourself, or again, we have the flyer within the template packages that we created. So yeah, I don't think you have to have, I never pass out brochures. I don't. I always just take my business cards. Matter of fact, let me tell y'all what happened today. So my job I had tonight, I gave my client a card when I first met him. I talked about that a few weeks ago, that whenever I meet anybody, I always hand them a card. Hello, I'm Kimberly. Here's my card. And some people say, well, I don't need to get business cards because those are old fashioned. I got to, what is that thing called? Pop or something? Electronic? People want an old-fashioned business card. It's still very professional. So I handed him my card. I said, hi, I'm Kimberly. And I gave my card. So then later on, I was sitting at the table, and I said, oh, I think I gave you my card, right? And he was like, yes. And I had another one sitting on the table, and I gave it to him. And you know what he said? He said, thank you for not being stingy with your business cards. I was like, oh, so it must be a thing. People might not even want to give out a card. I don't have any more. I ordered them by 2,000 at a time. I showed y'all that. I ordered, because I give out business cards like candy. Okay? 2, 3, 4. Each person get at least 3. At least. Now, the only reason he didn't get 3 this time, because when I first met him, I was actually talking to somebody else. So I was multitasking, and I'm handing him the card while I'm talking to the other person about his transaction. So that's what happened. So he was like, thank you for not being stingy with the business card. So again, I'm going to encourage you. You might be starting out so you don't order 2,000. Okay. 2,000 cost me, I think it was $69 with coupons, or 68, something like that. Always have a coupon when you go to Vistaprint. That's who I use, Vistaprint. So I got 2,000 business cards. Okay. And I'm going to tell y'all this. I didn't like the dark color that I had on the business card. So I called Vistaprint. They actually walked through with me to straighten out to give me another card. And they gave me another set for free. So I got 4,000. So you know I'm passing them out like candy now. I'm like, here, you get a card. You get a card. You get a card. 3 or 4 at a time. All right. Terry J said, what again does the membership include? Everything. So check out the website, Terry J. Notarize like a pro. Specialty notary services. Your general notary work. It also includes estate/trust packages. I didn't even talk about that. That's why I said you got to look at the website. You got the estate/trust, and that's if you want to start working in nursing homes, working with attorneys. I even have an attorney script in there, like a letter, and included in that course. So again, these are not watered down versions or YouTube videos. These are real courses that are designed to help you do your business. Okay. Israel says, I can't wait to get started. Elena says, I can't wait to get started. Yeah, we be looking for you, girl. Pete Pablo, 1999 says, I can be a legal certified notary. Now, what does that mean? If you can get commissioned in your state. Tell me what that means, okay? Lori W says, I will agree with Kimmi. I am in the mentor program, and it is all included. Come join us. It really is all inclusive, right, Lori? That's so funny. When I first rolled it out, it did not include live membership when I started back in July. Okay. When I started back in July, it was only the courses. And the people were like, you gonna let us watch all your stuff for $39.99. At that time, it was $39.99. You gonna let us watch all your courses? And people didn't believe me. I was like, yeah. I prayed about it. Not gonna lie, I was scared. I said, oh, and I'm letting these people, I said the same thing to myself. It was my idea, and I said the same thing. I said, wait a minute, I'm gonna let these people watch all my stuff for $39.99 that I put all my blood, sweat, and tears in. But again, I always think about the people, and I knew people was having difficult times financially too, seriously. And it ain't like I'm sitting on the gold mine at all. I work very hard. I got 4 jobs, okay? And my husband worked too. We are very much working people. We are not just YouTubers, okay? So all that being said, when I rolled out the initial program, people loved it. They were like, really? But I told my husband, I said, I really want people to go next level. And the only way you're going to go next level for real is having a notary educator in your back pocket. Seriously. Because you can watch as many courses as you want, but sometimes you actually just have to talk to somebody. So the way you talk to us is not you just pick up the phone and call me, because I am running my own notary business. That's what I'm wearing my shirt tonight. Always advertising. Always advertising. Now I just ordered a notary educator shirt. I'm waiting on that to come. So you'll probably see more of that. But this is my actual business shirt. I just love it. And the reason I don't have this in notary educators is because our colors are yellow. I don't know that the bling will show up. So it's coming though. Something's coming. I don't know what. Anyway, so yeah, then I told my husband, I said, I really want to offer a live component to the mentorship, and I didn't know how to make that work. So again, you don't just pick up the phone and call me, or pick up the phone and call Alexis. We have a group chat, which is also included in membership. I didn't even talk about that. So with the group chat though, you start your questions over there. If we feel like we need to call you, we'll call you, because we're not going to just call you and say, okay, you could ask him what color should my logo be. I don't have time for that. No, but now you can put it in the group chat and everybody can help you together. Each one teach one. And we are a very nice community over there. So if you have some questions like that, and we'll chime in. But I don't have time to answer everybody's color questions, or, do you like my name of my business? I don't mind in the group chat, but I can't call you and we just talk about the name of your business. Okay. Actually, we had somebody in the group the other day. It took a life of its own. Everybody was trying to help this person find a name for their business. I got to find out, did he pick a name yet? So that was interesting. So we do help each other in the group though, which is really nice. So yeah, think about coming to join us. Ileana says, wow, LOL, I'm in payment $75 for postcards and business cards $150 each. Wow, LOL, I'm paying $75 for postcards and business cards $150 each. Oh, you're paying $75? Where are you getting your stuff from? Eliana, I always get everything from Vistaprint. That sounds like you're overpaying. Okay. I don't know, but I get everything from Vistaprint, and again, I always have a coupon. You can Google Vistaprint coupons, okay, and something will pop up. Okay. Yeah. Emmanuel says, can I join the group? Yeah, you can join the group. Hold on, let me go back. Let's go back. Terry J says she's joining tonight. Okay, we'll look forward to seeing you. The Black Oracle says, greetings. Where are you located? In Tennessee? What city? No, I'm actually in Georgia. I'm in Georgia, and I teach all 50 states. All 50 states. And how is it that you can teach all 50 states, you may ask? People say that all the time. Because all of your documents are not going to originate. For example, if you're in Tennessee, all of your documents are not going to come from Tennessee. You're going to have people internationally coming to you for a notary. Even if you're doing apostilles, especially. People may be visiting Tennessee. They're coming from California. Do you tell that person, oh no, you got to go back to California to get that notary completed? No. Or you have to go back to Ohio. No. They're in your state in front of you. You need to know how to process that document. And if you don't know how to process it, that's when you need training. Because you can notarize any document. And that's how I teach you how to notarize anything. Okay? Number one educator. Don't forget that. Now, do I know everything? No. But if I don't know, I'm going to find out for you. And we're going to find out together. Okay? I always tell this story. One time I had a client call me. She was like, yeah, I need to get a codicil. And I was like, oh, what? And I'm sitting there like, what's a codicil? And I'm Googling as she talking on my phone. I'm like, what? I said, oh, yes, ma'am, I can help you with that. So I had to look it up. I had never heard the term before. No one ever even talked about it. I do talk about it in the estate training also. But no one had ever talked about that before. So I was like, what's a codicil?